This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. Sunbrella Centerfold Binding from Sailrite measures 7/8 inch in width. It does fold fairly easily at the center location. To our knowledge, a 7/8 inch binder is not mass produced. There are companies that will make custom binders, and that can be done, but it is rather expensive. Sailrite recommends sewing the centerfold binding with the Sailrite 1-inch swing-away binder. But you need to know that the 1-inch binder is not a perfect fit because the centerfold binding is slightly smaller. Because of that fact, here are some hints that will help you to sew the binding on with the Sailrite 1-inch swing-away binder. Typically, the centerfold binding will always fall at the bottom side of the binder, so the binding fold on the top will be shorter than the binding fold on the bottom side of your fabric application. Here you can see this stitch is too close to the raw edge of the centerfold Sunbrella binding. To resolve this issue, we will move our binder feeder closer to the presser feet. This moves the stitch further away from the raw edge. So now, after repositioning the binder, our stitch is closer to the folded edge, or further in from the raw edge of the binding on the top side. So now the stitch catches the top side of the fold beautifully, and on the bottom side it too catches it, but since the bottom side is wider, the stitch is further in from the raw edge. This is what you can expect when you choose Sunbrella Centerfold Binding that's 7/8 inch wide from Sailrite and use the Sailrite 1-inch swing-away binder. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.